How to activate Axis Bank credit card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To activate your Axis Bank credit card, first and foremost open up a browser and search for Axis Bank. In order to activate your card, you need to log in to your account. For that, select the login option at the top of your screen. You have to enter your credential of your account. If you are using personal, select personal. If not, go ahead and select business. Now in this portal, you have to enter your account credential, that is login option. If you forgot your customer ID or login ID, select on this prompt given to you. Enter your password. If not, tap on forgot password to retrieve. Select your login destination. You can select credit card directly, then tap on login. If you do not have an account, you can tap on register here and create a brand new account of Axis Bank. Once you are logged into Axis Bank, you have to locate the section of your card. In there, you have to enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVV, and your SSN. You may also have to submit identity documentation. Once you are verified, you'll be able to activate your Axis Bank credit card without a hassle. Now, if you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you can check out the help and support of Axis Bank. You can watch the tutorial by the Axis Bank themselves or check out the FAQs of Axis Bank. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.